question is 30. A company is using Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, to share a file system among several Amazon EC2 instances. As usage increases, users report that file retrieval from the EFS file system is slower than normal. Which action should a SysOps administrator take to improve the performance of the file system? A. Configure the file system for provisioned throughput. B. Enable encryption in transit on the file system. C. Identify any unused files in the file system, and remove the unused files. D. Resize the Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, volume of each of the EC2 instances. Correct answer is A. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment. Our team will prioritize those. Thank you. Next question is 31. A SysOps administrator is helping J development team deploy an application to AWS cloud format on template includes an Amazon Linux EC2 instance, an Amazon Aurora Deep Cluster, and a hard-coded database password that must be rotated every 90 days. What is the most secure way to manage the database password? A. Use the AWS Secrets Manager secret resource with the Generate Secret String property to automatically generate a password. Use the AWS Secrets Manager rotation schedule resource. Define a rotation schedule. Lore the password. Configure the application to retrieve a secret from AWS Secrets Manager. Access the database. B. Use me AWS Secrets Manager secret resource with the secret strmg property. Accept a password as a CloudFormation parameter. Use the allowed pattern property of CloudFormation parameter to require a minimum length. Uppercase and lowercase letters and special characters. Configure me application to retrieve the secret from AWS Secrets Manager to access the database. C. Use the AWS SSM parameter resource. Accept input as a could formatting parameter to store the parameter as a secure string. Configure the application to retrieve the parameter from AWS Systems Manager parameter store to access the database. D. Use the AWS SSM parameter resource. Accept input as a cloud formatting parameter to store the parameter as a string. Configure the application to retrieve the parameter from AWS Systems Manager parameter store to access the database. Correct answer is A. Next question is 32. An application team uses an Amazon Aurora MySQL DB cluster with one Aurora replic. A. The application team notices that the application read performance degrades when user connections exceed 200. The number of user connections is typically consistent around 180, with occasional sudden increases above 200 connections. The application team wants the application to automatically scale as user demand increases or decreases. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Migrate to a new Aurora multi-master DB cluster. Modify the application database connection string. B. Modify the deep cluster by changing to serverless mode whenever user connections exceed 200. C. Create an auto-scaling policy with a target metric of 195 database connections. D. Modify the DB cluster by increasing the Aurora replica instance size. Correct answer is C.